Alright, look at this shit. So, I mainly use my Quest 2 for games, right? You can see Rec Room, you can see Robo Recall, Among Us, and Beat Saber down there. But look. I have never even looked at Meta Horizon Workrooms. Why is this on here? I've never even looked at it once. I have never even felt about it. I don't want, even though it's not taking up any space in my Quest as it's uninstalled, it's forever on my app library whenever I go to play a game. Like, seriously. What's next? Are they just going to force me to install normal Meta Horizons and not allow me to play Rec Room ever again? Not allow me to play even VR chat, which I don't even play much, but anyway, did this happen to anybody else, or is it just me?